In line with government's vision to boost defense exports, Hindustan Aeronautics has signed a contract with Mauritius for the export of one Dhruv advanced light helicopter. Mauritius Police Helicopter Squadron already operates one Dhruv advanced light helicopter, with technical expertise by Hindustan Aeronautics to operate and support the aircraft. At a time when the DRDO Larsen & Toubro light tank has entered fabrication, and is all set to be unveiled in 2023, the South Korean firm Hanwha Defense has offered a range of weapons and mission systems and local industrial involvement to support its bid to supply its K21 light tank to the Indian Army, in response to the request for information to procure 350 light tanks. A Hanwha Defense spokesperson has said that active and passive kill capabilities will be fitted onto the K21 in line with the needs of the Indian Army, along with smoke grenade launchers, a laser warning system, a NBC filtered over-pressurization system, and also an instant fire detection and suppression, and the company is ready to add more measures required by the Indian Army. The 105mm turret can achieve more than 42 degrees in elevation angle, and this ability will give an advantage in high-altitude areas, and it can also fire at a -10 degrees depression angle, and the turret will be ideally suited for the Indian light tank acquisition program. The Lohia Group had acquired an Israeli company called Light and Strong Limited in 2019, which specializes in production of aerospace and military carbon fiber and glass fiber composite components, and this Israeli firm Light and Strong Limited was already a sub-vendor for multiple Israeli firms to supply carbon structures that forms the main frame of multiple products. Lohia Group had simultaneously set up a manufacturing plant in the UP Defense Corridor, and has now started manufacturing almost 90% of the carbon composite fuselage and wings of a number of Israeli armed drones and loitering munition. After scrapping the plan to procure 6 more P-8 maritime aircraft, the Indian Navy has started looking at the DRDO proposed C295 multi-mission maritime patrol aircraft that were also offered to the Indian Coast Guard. The Navy will also be having talks with the DRDO on the adaptability of the Netro suite for the multi-mission maritime patrol aircraft on a larger commercially available aircraft that could offer more range and endurance than the C295. The Navy has also backed the naval variant of Rustam 2 drone, and will also be a target customer for the DRDO's new HALE class UAV that has recently entered fabrication. Russia had offered an export variant of the P-800 to Vietnam and Indonesia, so that Russia didn't have to share the profit with anyone, which had affected the export potential of the BrahMos missile. Russia had to clear the BrahMos export after Philippines informed them that they can't pursue direct deals with Russia due to American sanction, and Philippines received clearance for the BrahMos missile from the US due to Chinese naval aggressions in the region. Experts have said that Philippines will also be in a good position to purchase the BrahMos next generation version, and down the road, India could potentially become a major provider of a full range of advanced and affordable weaponry to China's rivals in Southeast Asia. A board of inquiry has been ordered to investigate the blast in an internal compartment on board an Indian Navy destroyer when it was docked at Naval Dockyard in Mumbai. 3 officers are likely to reach the Mumbai Naval Base Camp today for investigation. An Uraga-class mine countermeasure vessel and a Waji-class minesweeper of the Japanese Navy conducted a bilateral exercise with Indian Navy's Shivalik-class frigate and Kamitha-class corvette in the Bay of Bengal. The Uraga-class minesweepers have a length of 141 meters and can reach a top speed of 41 km/h. Just days after Chinese Foreign Minister returned from his trip to a handful of Indian Ocean countries including Sri Lanka, the Indian government has eased Sri Lanka from its stressful economic situation by extending a $912 million loan, as well as another $1.5 billion for 2 credit lines involving the purchase of food and fuel from India.
Omar dropped it.